My name is Tracy Karanja and I'm a current software engineering student at Moringa, currently pursuing maths and computer science in university. I joined Moringa because I was interested in programming, and I've met a few Moringa alumni who have inspired me with how they carry themselves professionally and through their technical skills. Moringa has been a hands-on experience where the technical mentor is always ready to help, and so are the students. Whenever I faced any problems, I reached out to even my fellow students because we have pair programming where you work with someone else, and I've got a lot of help from that. Some of the team projects I've done are like a news app and an event management system, where I worked with like 3 or 4 people, and we built full stack applications where the technical mentor carefully monitored us and guided us whenever we faced challenges. It prepared me because I learned how to use several tools for project management and for programming. I wish I knew about Moringa earlier. I wish I knew that in order to do programming and to enter the tech industry, you need to enroll in a boot camp, and specifically the right ones, the ones that are beginner friendly like Moringa. And also you need a support system.